Guys, do you have the Pedro app? If the answer is yes, congratulations, because this weekend only, we are doing a 25% off of Boost app exclusive deal. Now, some of you were like, wait a second, you have an app? Yes. And there's also a link down below for you to actually go and download it, because what we do once in a while is for you guys out there that have the app, we do app exclusive deals. The only way you can grab this deal is if you have the app. You open it up and boom, the deal is there. This deal is hot and this product is flying off the shelf. This is Boost, the hair regrowth formula. It works on your head, it works on your beard. The reviews have been amazing. The testimonials have been flying in. Guys, this stuff is incredible to help your hair be stronger, to help it get thicker, to make your beard less patchy. Bottom line is this. Right now, this weekend only, if you want to grab this, we're giving it to you for 25% off if you've got the app. If you don't have the app, there's a link down there to download it. Guys, don't miss it. The app-only exclusive deal. Boost, this weekend only, 25% off.